don't need to say you're sorry. Instead, you just say it's my mistake. Are you waging up a war for the sake of something to say when I'm fine not to play? And oh, what you gotta say about me? I don't know you very well. You're acting like someone else. And oh, what you gotta say about us? When you see this all leads to games, you should start someone else. And oh, what you gotta say about us? When you see this all leads to games, you should start trusting me.
Wish I could say sorry, but I don't have much to say. You won't believe me anyway. I got a thing for causing arguments.